Good afternoon, guys. I'm back. I'm going to crochet this beautiful sun hat for a Barbie, and I want you guys to join me. I am going to use a number 3 baby sports weight yarn. Hold on, I think my light is not. Is that better, guys? Okay. I'm going to use a number 3 baby sports weight yarn, 2 sizes of hook, which is size G 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and size E 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, if you're ready, guys, we're going to begin with the size G hook, and you can use any color of yarns that you like. Now we are going to begin with the magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This is counted as first double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have the 10 double crochet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to close the ring. We are going to pull the inside strand. We have these strands here. One is in the outside here and one is in the inside. We are going to pull the one from inside, pull it left to right, halfway. Okay, now we are going to pull the tail, pull it tight. Now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And we are going to make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch as joining, and 2 double crochet into the next. Go ahead and continue doing 2 double crochet into each stitches around, and when you finish the round you should have 20 double crochet. Okay, now we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3, and we are going to make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into each stitches around. Okay, now I have 20 double crochet around, and to join, we're going to join the same way. Join it on top of the beginning chain 3, and this time we are going to change the hook into a smaller size E 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch as joining, And go ahead and make one single crochet into each stitches around. Okay, now we join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. And make a chain 3. And we are going to use the front loop of each stitches around. We are going to make 2 double crochet into the same stitches joining. And make 3 double crochet into the front loop of the next stitch. And 3 double crochet into the front loop of the next stitch. Go ahead and continue making 3 double crochet into each front loops of each stitches around. Continue your round, guys, making 3 double crochet into each front loops. Okay, now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3, and we can close our work here. We're going to cut the yarn. And using the yarn needle, you can go and weave this, hide the tail of your yarns, and this is how it looks like. Show you. It look like this. Okay. Now, thank you for joining me, guys. I hope you like the pattern, and this is very fast and very quick to finish. And okay, thank you for crocheting with me, and see you again for my next video tutorial.